form, to be able to meet the challenges which are ahead.
Well, let's switch focus and go to Kaizer Chiefs. 2-1 out in Egypt. They came back with that result. The sporting director had said coming back with the result in Egypt would be imperative to the boys' confidence. Want to focus on one particular player here. Mfundo Vilakazi, Togi.
Yeah. Mfundo, I mean, if you want to talk about Mfundo, look at him the past years at Kaizer Chiefs, vis-a-vis what he is now after played in the World Cup. He's a total different player. He's more positive, because his game when he was promoted to the senior team, you could see a little bit of inexperience and kind of childish Yanalo. But I think he has gained a lot of experience, and this is his expertise, like cutting in and trying to score from. I think he did score in one of the games against Orbit, if I'm not mistaken. But I think he has actually developed and the experience.
Should he be starting at Kaizer Chiefs? I mean, you look at the players he was playing with at DDC, that are at Sundowns, that are at Pirates,
yeah, I know,
that are at other teams they're playing.
Yeah.
Puso Ditejane was, he was ahead of him, but Puso Ditejane, one of the best players at TS Galaxy. These are his stats in the league.
Yeah, I know these are his stats in the league. But I saw a different Fundo when he played for the national team in the under-20, because he was not playing as a winger. He was used as a playmaker, as a distributor, as a ball passer, and that's how we benefited.
What, as a 10?
Yeah, as a 10.
Okay.
That's how we scored 5 goals against New Caledonia, because of him. So he's more smarter when he's like right in the middle rather than outside, because it seems like he's getting isolated. But also as a winger, remember, it depends on the supply. Because if you stay seconds as a winger not getting the ball, when it gets to you, you're not as sharp as we expect you to be.
Look at this. He played 27 minutes against Al Masri. Look at his stats there. What does this tell us about what he did, W?
I'm more interested in the shots on target, because in this game he had ample opportunities, because remember now it was second half, the players are tiring a little bit, and he should really be able to put up the stats a little bit higher. But if you check again, accurate passes at 50%. So he was really calling and really telling you that if I get more minutes to be able to play here, could be able to deliver a little bit more. So I think he'll also be a little bit gutted that his performance from the league, is not really taking him to the Comfort Cup, because I think he's been now on the upward trajectory.